What's up fellow coders? Welcome back to another video on HTML beginners. Today we will be learning about different levels of heading as well as its attribute. We will also learn about font tag and its attribute. So let's get started. Today we will be trying to replicate this page with different levels of heading, and we will try to give each heading a different color. So let's open up VS Code and we can get started. Let's create a new file and we need to choose our language. So let's choose HTML. Let's start with some basic structure. Let's put in the HTML tag. Let's also put the head tag. We also need the title tag, and let the title be different heading levels. So let's put in the body tag, and we need h1 tag. H1 tag I'm going to use, this is the first heading level, so let's also put h2. So there are a total of 6 heading levels, and each heading level is smaller than the previous one. So like h2 should be smaller than h1. So let's put in our h4, and this is the 4th heading level, and let's put in h5. So now let's just put in the last heading level, that is h6. Let's just edit the text to be, this is the 6th heading level. Okay, so just to see what happens if we put in h7, let's put in h7. This is the 7th heading level. So if we put in h7, h8, h9, it will not be smaller than h6. So like it will not be smaller than h6, it will be some random size. So let's just delete h7 as it is not a valid tag. HTML is really nice, it doesn't give any errors. That can be a pro or a con depending on how you look at it. So let's put in the center tag to align everything to the center, and here we go, we get that nice funnel shape. Now let's just save our project. We are going to name it heading, and don't forget to put .html extension and select format HTML. So let's save it, and we should navigate to the project and we can open it, and it should open in our default browser. So in my case it opened in Safari, and we can see that we got the same output as we got in the VS Code here. So now we need to change color of each level. So to change color we can use font tag, but the problem is that font tag is not supported in HTML5. Just for today we will use font tag and its attribute, that is color equal to red. So in the first case I am going to set the value of color to be red. Let's give the value to be yellow, and don't forget to close the font tag as it will affect the rest of the text also. So here we go, we got a nice rainbow color scheme, and we can see that we were able to successfully change all the colors. So now we can just close the project. So now we can close our project, and VS Code actually auto saves the project, so we don't really need to save it again. We can navigate to our project file and open it, and it should open seamlessly once again in default browser, and we will be able to see the output. If you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. So thank you, that's it for today.